when she looks at me. I know the girl sees things nobody else can see, and all of the secrets feels inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. She doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come on, baby, and the fate is something I never know before. Come on, baby, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door. Myself a little more. Yeah. When I turn around, she knows these are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it through. When I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right along with me. One more time. Come on, baby, she believes, and that fate is something I never know. Come on, baby, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be na nasaktan na bigo? Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're wrong, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. Never let you go, couldn't run away if I tried. Cause even when I'm all alone, you got a hold of my mind. And I'll always let you know that I'm always gonna hold on. And I told you right from the start, you just say the word and I go. No, it doesn't matter how far, cause your love is all that I know. Baby, you just stay where you are, and you know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even
Don't stray, don't ever go away. I should be much too smart for this. You know it gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out on time, don't let me drown and let me down. I say it's all because losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye, and all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true.
Take me to the place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. My baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Or maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece. Till you tore it all up, running scared. I was there, I remember it all too well. And you call me up again just to break me like a promise, so casually cruel. In the name of being honest, I'm a crumbled up piece of paper lying here, 'cause I remember it. Oh, oh, oh. They say all's well that ends well, but I'm in a new hell every time you double cross my mind. You said if we had been closer in age, maybe it would have been fine. And that made me want to die. The idea you had of me, who was she? A never needy, ever lovely Jewel who's trying to flex on you.
Take me to the place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. My baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seen